Hi all are welcome to ARCHEX series, a new initiative from THiNC Institute of Design. So this initiative is to empower all students of India to get good marks or good scores in all the architecture entrance examination which is currently held in India. So currently we are just focusing especially on NATA examinations. Test, practice, achieve. Myself Chandu P. Chandran, you are watching THiNC Institute of Design. So today we are going to discuss about non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning is one among the important topics which is coming under the NATA examinations, and in non-verbal reasoning is also divided into several subtopics. Among the subtopics, a frequently observed question is figure counting. Hope you remember from the question papers, when you go to the previous question papers, you could find out that there are questions to count the number of triangles, number of lines, straight lines, squares, circles. These questions are frequently coming into our attention while we looking into previous year questions. So today we are about to discuss one among the major concepts in figure counting, and that is about counting number of triangles. So we can just solve a question and then get into figure counting process. So now you can find the question here, find the number of triangles in the given figure. So four options have been provided over here. Option A 12, option B 15, and option C 17, option D 19. So it will take a little bit time. So now you can pause the video and you can try this question and post your answers in the comment section. Okay. So the right answer is the option B, which is 15. So how we could find this answer very quickly and without any confusing. So some students may comment it's 12 and some students may comment it's 17. But how we can avoid these kinds of confusions, that we are going to discuss now. So for that purpose, we need to divide or we need to split this question into small components. Okay, but we need to have some sort of order to solve this question, or we need to follow some sort of discipline while solving these questions. So for the sake of understanding, I just named it like A, B, C, D and so on. So now we are dividing the entire figure into small triangle, which we call as simplest triangles. That means there is no other components coming into the triangles. That means here you can find a triangle like ADC. There is no other components in ADC. Similarly, you can find ADE, GHK, KHI. So now you just able to find out 8 simple triangles from different parts of the figure. So at this time we are only concentrated on simple triangles only. No other triangles will come into our attention at this point of time. So we just finished all the simple triangles. Now we are about to move to the next part, that is two component triangles or triangles composed by two components. So now you can find two components over here, component number 1, component number 2, and this makes a triangle called ACE. Similarly, when you observe here at the bottom in the second figure, you can find GIK. Similarly, you can find AHI as well as AHD. Okay, so we just finished with two components triangles also. So now the choice is moving to 3 components triangles. So let's see how many 3 components triangles are there. Now you can find triangle AGK, triangle AIK. These were the 3 components triangle. When you look here, you can find it 1, 2, 3. So they are divided into 3 components. So the next choice is for the 4 component ones, and there is only one 4 component triangle is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 components. You can clearly see in that particular triangle, that is triangle AGI. So is there any possibility for a 5 component triangle? No. 6 component triangle? No. Okay, so check these kinds of possibilities too, up to 1 or 2 next positions. So now we are just summarizing it into an answer. So all the figures has been listed over here. So you can find how many simple triangles? 8. 2 component 4, 3 component 2, 1 component 4 component 1. So at the end there are 15 triangles. So the right answer goes to 15. Hope you clearly get the concept. We need to simplify if a question with a complex nature come into our question paper. We need to simplify it into small pieces and then we solve it. So now we can just try a question. So you just practice this question at home. The question is find the number of triangles in the given figure. Option A 19, B 21, C 23 and D goes to 25. So just test, practice and achieve. You can post your answers in the comment section. We will definitely pin the right answers. So thank you all. We can meet again in the next session. Bye.
Hi, I hope you liked the video. So we THiNC Institute of Design here present the ARCHEX series for your last minute NATA preparations, which includes videos, quizzes and discussions. So how is your exam preparation going? What makes you different is how you prepare for the exam. We are consistent in producing top results both in the field of architecture and design, which is of course our pride, and we welcome you for the upcoming courses. We have short-term courses, long-term courses. Short-term courses include crash batches and foundation batch, and long-term courses include regular batches, repeater batches and long-term weekend batches. For more details regarding our courses, visit our website www.thinkdis.com. The link will be provided in the description box below. Let's design your career. Let's design it together with THiNC Institute of Design. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also click the bell icon. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates.